In this video, we're going to look at one of the most powerful corn harvesting systems in operation today, featuring a lineup of machines from John Deere. At the center of the system is the John Deere S780 Combine Harvester, a Class 8 machine. This massive machine is equipped with a 13.5-liter engine that produces 473 horsepower. When harvesting conditions become difficult, the system can boost an additional 50 horsepower, helping the machine maintain stable performance in the field. The entire machine weighs about 40.746 pounds, or roughly 18.5 tons. And its base list price is around $760.00 US. The S780 has a grain tank capacity of 400 bushels, which is equivalent to about 14 cubic meters. This allows the machine to operate for a long time before it needs to unload. When it's time to unload, the system works extremely quickly. Grain is discharged at a rate of 3.8 bushels per second through a 28.5-foot unloading auger. The list price of this header in 2024 is approximately $228.200. At the front is the John Deere C16R corn header. This attachment features 16 rows of corn, with each row spaced 30 inches apart. The total working width reaches 40 feet, allowing the machine to handle a very large area in a single pass. To support grain transport during harvesting, the system also includes a John Deere 8R410 tractor. This tractor uses a 9-liter engine producing 410 horsepower, and it can reach up to 443 horsepower when needed. It is equipped with an E23 full power shift transmission, featuring 23 forward gears and 11 reverse gears, providing extremely flexible control. Travel speeds range from 1.4 to 31 miles per hour. The list price of this tractor is around $640.00. Following behind is the Brent 1198 grain cart, which transports grain from the combine to trucks. This cart has a capacity of up to 1.10 bushels. When unloading, it can transfer grain at a rate of 850 bushels per minute. In terms of field performance, the harvesting setup typically operates at a speed of about 2.0 to 2.2 miles per hour. At this speed, a single combine can harvest around 2.90 bushels per hour. Under normal conditions, each machine can complete between 75 and 110 acres per day, depending on crop yield and field conditions. This is the power of modern agriculture, where a single system of machines can harvest hundreds of acres in just one day.